Now, welcome back to the video where we are still treating calculus. Welcome back to the video. We are still treating calculus and we are treating differentiation. Differentiation. Now, in this video, or let me say in the last video, we talk about the rules of differentiation. Rules of differentiation. Rules of differentiation. And we state one rule. We state about 4, or let's say 4. Now, out of the rule, we want to pick general rule. And what does general rule state? General rule states that if y is equals to x raised power n, if y is equals to x raised power n, then the x equals to nx n minus 1. And I said additionally, where a is constant, or we can say when a is constant, we now say a n x n minus 1. So you will see the difference between this and this afternoon. Let's go. Example 1. Example 1. If y is equals to x cubed, comma, find the y, the x using general rule. Using general rule. So, example 1 is if y is equals to x cubed, find the y, the x using general rule. So, in this case, this is general rule here. As you can see, this a cannot work in this place. Why? Because I'm only having this question in this way. So now, let me solve this problem. Solution. Now, in solving this, I will say y is equals to x cubed. Then using the formula is what? Nx n minus 1. What is n? N is the power. N is the power number. So n is what? The power number, which is 3. So I am substituting this 3 in anywhere I see n. Anywhere I'm seeing n, it means I'm writing 3 there. Anywhere I'm seeing n, it means I'm writing 3 there. So what do we now do? So the 3 will be here. Since there is n here, there will be 3 here. So that is 3x. N is up, which is 3 minus 1. So I will say 3x. 3 minus 1 will give us what? 2. So I can say the y, the x equals to 3x squared. Can you see? In our first principle we say we should find y is equals to x cubed. You know, it is a long procedure using first principle. Now, using general formula, see the shortcut. Just read shortcut, sharp. So we have what? The y dx equals to 3x squared. Now, let's now assume the question is given as what? Let's assume that the question is given as y is equals to 3x cubed. Now say, comma, find the y, the x. If y is equals to 3x cubed, find the y dx. Now, in this point, or at this junction, I can't use this formula again because I'm already having a constant a, which is 3. So I will say a is 3, comma, and my n is 3 also, because n is the power number, while a is the constant number. The number that is given here is 3. So I'm making 3 as a here, and I'm making n as here. But in this question here, as you can see, there is no any front number here. So and see, this one is different from this. That is why we have this or this, where a is constant. So by solving, I will say anx n minus 1, where a is 3, times what is the n? Another 3 x, then 3 minus 1. So 3 times 3 will give us what? 9x. 3 minus 1, 2. Final answer. So I can say dy dx equals to 9x squared. So in this case, as you can see, we already know the difference between this formula and this formula. The difference there is just the a. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.